are all in line. They're off in the Fasig-Tipton De La Rose. And it is Daring Cathy who goes out to the early lead. Miss Frost and Pink Poppy have speed too, and Ticking Katie is away running in fourth as they head toward the first turn. Then it's Recepta, Nellie Cashman to the outside, and Tuta Paesi down toward the inside. A little bit sassy is after that by another two. Token of Love and Joint Return are at the rear of the field as Miss Frost and Arad Ortiz Jr. make the pace. And it's an honest one. 22-4 was the opening quarter here for Miss Frost, who's got a 2-length lead onto the back stretch. Daring Cathy is second. Pink Poppy follows in third. And then it's Ticking Katie fourth, just to the outside of Recepta. Nellie Cashman tracks them. Tuta Paesi hard in hand at this stage of the race. 7 lengths off the lead and racing on the inside. Then a little bit sassy, followed by Token of Love and Joint Return. 46-2 is the half mile for Miss Frost, who carries her speed into the far turn, a length and a half in front. And then it's Daring Cathy running in second. Pink Poppy third to the outside, followed by Recepta down toward the inside. Ticking Katie is next. Still nowhere to go for Tuta Paesi, who's in behind a wall of horses and down on the inside. And now there's running room for her, and she's charging now into the final 16th. And here comes Tuta Paesi rushing up the rail to the inside of Recepta. Recepta and Tuta Paesi come into the final furlong together. And on the far outside, a late run from a little bit sassy. It's going to be Recepta by 3 over Tuta Paesi. A little bit sassy was third, and Ticking Katie was fourth.